Good morning everyone, my name is Hussain and today we'll be seeing some of the questions from previous year's NEET question papers, which have come from this chapter, which is the living world. Yes, yes. So let us start with question number 1, which is from NEET 2019. Question is, select the correctly written scientific name of mango, which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. So what are they asking? They're asking for the scientific name of mango, and they have already given that the author is Carolus Linnaeus. Okay. So based on that, we have four options. We have Mangifera indica Linn. This is the first option. Second option is Mangifera indica. Third option is Mangifera indica, but here the I is in capital letter. Okay, from the species name. And the final one is Mangifera indica car Linn, which is car is for Carolus. Okay, so which one of the following four options is the correct answer? The option is obviously one. Okay, so why? Let us look into it. Okay, so a scientific name consists of two parts, which is the generic name as well as the specific name. The generic name always starts with the capital letter. So here in our options, all the generic names start with the capital letter. So we cannot deduce anything. Whereas the specific epithet is always written in small letter. Here we see that the third option, Mangifera indica, in the third option, the indica is of cats. Okay, so that means the third option is not the answer. Okay, then coming to the second point, the name is written in italics or when handwritten is underlined separately. Okay, so here all the names are written in italics. So still we cannot deduce what the answer is. Third point being the name of the author is written in abbreviated form in Roman font. Okay, so both the first option as well as the fourth option has the author's name, but only the first option has Linn, whereas the fourth option has car.linn. That is wrong because the author's only one name is to be given, not two names. Okay, if it's car.linn, that means Carolus was one author, Linnaeus is another author. That is not the case, right? So we are just talking about Linnaeus. Hence, the first option is the answer. And also, care is to be taken that Linn is written in Roman font, not in the italics. Okay, so the option 1 is the correct answer. Coming to the second question, which is from NEET 2021. From NEET 2020, we did not have any questions from the first chapter. NEET 2021, the question is, which one of the following belongs to family Mucidae? Okay, Mucidae, as soon as we say Mucidae, you will see that in the first chapter there is a table or a tabular column where some examples of organisms are given from both plant and animal kingdom, and their taxonomy is given, meaning the classification is given. So in that one of those examples, this Mucidae comes. Where does it come? So is it firefly? Is it grasshopper? Is it cockroach? Or is it housefly? So obviously the question is easy. We know that the scientific name of housefly is Musca domestica. So which indicates that the answer could be housefly. So yes, the answer is option 4. Okay. Explanation is that the housefly belongs to the genus Musca of Mucidae family. Okay. And the classification of housefly is given as follows. Belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Diptera, family is Mucidae, and genus and species is Musca domestica, which is also its scientific name. Yes. Next is question number 3, which is from NEET 2022. So in the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement is ascending order is correct in case of animals? So there's a hierarchy given. Okay. So hierarchical order, even though it says ascending, the orders are given in descending order, meaning from kingdom to species. Okay. So since all the options are of the same, let us go with the descending order. So in here, which one is the answer? The answer is number 3. Okay, where the answer is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Okay, so how do we remember this order? Okay, there are different ways. Okay, first of all, in order to solve this question, you know that the phylum is the second biggest taxon. Okay, so kingdom and species, with kingdom and species we cannot deduce what the answer is, so we go to the next option. So after kingdom, what comes? Phylum. Okay, so where only one option gives you the correct answer, whereas all the other options give you a wrong answer. Okay. So in option 1 also after kingdom it's order, in option 2 also after kingdom it's order, in option 3 after kingdom it's class. Okay. So only the third option says that after kingdom the second is phylum. Hence option 3 is the answer. We can deduce it so easily. But if you still want to keep this order in mind and you're not able to keep it in mind, normally how I keep it in mind is that kingdom is the largest taxon, phylum is the second largest taxon, and species, genus and species are the smallest taxon from the bottom. Okay, the problem comes in remembering is in the middle. Okay, so we should I should tell you that before these seven taxons were made clear, there was another category of taxons called COG7. Okay, COG7, class, order, genus, species, variety. Okay, before the seven taxons came into play. Okay, so with that only I remember. So there COG7, COG, class, order, family, genus, species. So F comes, the problem comes in class and order. So COG7 helps me to remember what the order is. So kingdom, phylum, then COG, class, order, and then a new taxon, family is in there, and genus and species. So this is how I remember the thing. But some very what do you call it, innovative students try to learn this using mnemonics. Okay, an example for a mnemonic is given here. King plays chess on fine green silk. Okay, king is for kingdom, plays is for phylum, chess on fine green silk. So that gives you the order of the hierarchy. Yes, so you can make up your own sentences in order to remember the order. Yes. Okay. The next question is question number 4, which is from NEET 2018. Okay. So it is a match the following, and the question states match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Okay. So we have a list of taxonomical aids and their descriptions. Okay. So the first one is herbarium. What could be the answer for herbarium? Let us see each option and what could be the possible what do you call it, description for the particular taxonomical aid. Okay, first one is herbarium. So herbarium, it is a place. So first one in column 2 is it is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. I don't think so that is the case. Second one is listed that it is not a list. Okay, I feel the third option in column 2 could be the answer. Is herbarium is a place where dried and plus plants specimens mounted on sheets are kept. So A is 3. B is key. So key is nothing but, as far as I understand, key is a classification tool where two contrasting characters are used. Okay, that is how I define a key. Okay, so let us see which of the following options has those key terms. Okay. Option number 4 has it is a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates, meaning it's a character list of alternative characters which are helpful in identification of various taxa. So B is number 4. Then comes museum. According to my definition, museum is a collection of preserved plants and animals. Okay, so easily option 1 is the answer. And then D is catalog, which gives us to option 2 in column 2, which is a list that enumerates methodical all the species found in an area with brief description aiding identification. So what catalog is basically is a list of all the species available in a particular area. Okay, so for example, let us say Chennai. Okay, so all the species of bird available in India can be listed down, and a brief description of that particular species can be given. Such a book is called as catalog. Okay. So here, what are they trying to do? Is they are trying to confuse you with saying that key is a list, right? Key is basically a list, and a catalog is a book. Okay. So here they are saying that if you see option 4 in column 2, it says a booklet. So normally students get confused. Students get confused saying catalog for option D, option 4 can be the answer because it says book. So you do not have to see such terms. You have to see the keywords. Okay, which we'll discuss now. So let us confirm the answer. A is 3, B is 4, C is 1, and D is 2. So the option answer is option 4. Okay. So yes, coming to the explanation for this For this question, you know that we have to remember the keywords or key terms when it comes to definitions. Okay, so for herbarium, it is generally dried and pressed plant specimens. Okay, this is the word which you should be looking for. Key, for key, it is characters or alternative characters. Okay, and identification of taxa. So we use alternating characters to identify a particular organism or a particular taxa. That is what a key is. Okay, so those are the important terms which you have to look for, not something like a book or a booklet. Okay. Then museum is a collection of preserved plants and animals, and catalog is nothing but list of species for identification. So this is how you should solve a match the following by matching all the options in left column with right column, and then going and looking into the option. Okay, then going and looking into the options. Okay. Yes. So with this, we come to the end for today's session. Thank you. My name is Hassan, signing off. Thank you and have a nice day.